Hello, my minions. This is the Masked Crusader, and I'm kind of bummed. First of all, I recorded this episode twice, and both of them died. Both of them didn't record. The first one didn't record at all, and the second one didn't record my audio, so it was just me playing Minecraft, and it was kind of annoying. So, we're preparing to go to the end, and I'll get to that in a minute. I started working over here because I'm going to start building my end preparation buildings over here. I started this a while ago. Here's my chicken farm, and it was set up one way, but I've set it up a different way now that I've got droppers and hoppers. So what I've done is I've got about two or three chickens in every single one of these bins, and when they lay eggs, they will drop their eggs down here. They'll be caught by these hoppers, which will fill these chests, and they obviously I need to put some more chickens in these, but these will fill up with eggs. And then I can get rid of these chests, and then I can get rid of the chests in my barn. This is my smelting and crafting room. This is going to change. I'm actually going to use this back wall and build an automatic smelter. The problem with that automatic smelter is droppers don't work the way that they should anymore. So I got to figure that out. That's some new challenges. And then, I guess it's not droppers, it's the comparator. And I'll go over that in the next video. And then finally, I moved all my cows from behind this wall. You can actually, if I chop down this wall, you'll see that it still exists over here. But instead of having them wander around back here, I've decided that they need to wander down below. That'll also help when I create when I bring over pigs and mushrooms and sheep over here. The animals will be below the shop that they are in, and then I'll put some chests out here where I can store their meat and their other good stuff. So there's that. So those are the three shops. I built those before, but I made some changes, so I wanted to show those off. And then I decided that if I need to go over to the nether, or not to the nether, to the end, I need to create some, I needed to get some potions. So I decided I'd start the potion brewing. And that's where I started before. And like I said, I recorded an entire episode. And of that entire episode, nothing got saved. It was kind of annoying. So I'm going to try this again. One more time for the road. So while I'm working over here, I thought I would talk about, well, I was asked by a person on YouTube about my history with Java, the Java programming language. So I thought I'd give you guys a little bit of background on my programming skills. Where I learned my programming, how long I've been programming, and how I decided to develop my skill. And in the process, I'm going to be working over here. Leave those guys alone. Ooh, there's a guy. Let's see if I can get some of these guys skulls. Ooh, they run. Come on. Come on. Oh, come on. I want you down off the ledge. I don't want to lose your skull. Yeah, come on. Hello. I got a sword, but I did not get his skull. Did I get his skull? No, I didn't. All right, and the sword is almost dead. Let's see if I can get these two guys to follow me. So anyways, yep, shoot me. Shoot me. Haha, you missed. Ow. Come on. Drop a skull, dude. I gotta Okay, so I guess I'm not getting skulls. Ooh, he might give me one. Hello. Hello. Over here, dude. No skulls. All right, so now that I've sufficiently checked that out, I got some coal from them. That's a little bit weird, but over here is my blaze farm, and in order to not burn up, I've created some potions. So I'm gonna go ahead and drink these first before I start talking. That'll give me 8 minutes of fire resistance so that I can fight these guys and clean out around this spawner. Hi guys. Yeah, you can't hurt me. So anyways, let's start. I started programming. Well, I didn't start programming. Yeah, I did. I started programming when I was about 6. When I was 6-ish, my grandfather came over to my house. I don't know if he came over. I can't remember if it was like for a birthday or for something else. But oh yeah, I was gonna go get some lava for this. It's really hard to. Hey, yeah, get out of here. He brought over, when I was about 6 years old in the 80s, he brought over an Apple II computer, and he told me, he gave me this computer and he said, learn this, boy, it's the future. And if he wasn't like inspired or something to do that, come on. Yeah. Sorry. These guys. Come on. Where'd he go? Did I kill him? Apparently I did. So, oh, come on. There he is. Thank you. So, he brought me this computer, and which I thought was great. I mean, I started programming in Java. Not Java. I started programming in AppleSoft Basic, which I guess was a good language for the time. I don't know what Apple originally programmed their programs in, but it was not like that Apple Basic. That was really dumb. I made a screensaver. I did some stories, some like I don't know how you would explain it, like role-playing game type stories, story games, whatever. Anyways, okay, that looks good. I should go get some. Oh god. Okay, I'm going to get. Hello. I'm not gonna let this thing get destroyed, but I'm going to figure out how to stop this thing from spawning so that I can turn this into a working farm. I heard that if you put lava on top of these that it works. So maybe I'll do that. Maybe I'll... Oh, I need to go get some stuff. I'm getting hurt, so let's go eat. And eat some more? I can't eat some more. Alright, so let's go ahead and dig up some of this stuff. And I'll continue. So, like I said, when I was about 6, I got that computer, and it was good. It was nice to have a computer and to learn about computers. But as I got into high school, I was in high school when Java came out in 1995, I think it was. I was in a computer science class in high school. Where we programmed in a really dumb language called Logo, and it's virtually a pointless language. There's pretty much nothing you can do with Logo. It's good for drawing. It's good for learning algorithms and stuff, but functionally, it doesn't do anything. I mean, I built a game out of Logo where you had it. I had two sprites that represented the two fighter guys, and they would fight each other. But like I said, logo is just pointless. There's really nothing you can do with it. But I was in that class with a kid, and this other kid heard about the Java language and wanted to learn it, and I was interested in learning something new, so I decided that I'd learn Java with him. So we started working on a project together. Our teacher gave us a project. It was really dumb. It was to take a bill, like an amount of money that needed to be given to a person. So like you go to the store, you bought something for $12.48, and you gave them $13, and the program would calculate how to give the change back in the most efficient way. So in that situation, it'd be 52 cents, which would be two quarters and 2 pennies was the change. So I had to write a program that did that calculated that out of Java. And that was, I think, my very first program in Java. Let's go ahead and get some of these down. I need to start using these to start framing in this place. All right, how's my time doing? Got 2 minutes left. So that's how that worked. We're going to go ahead and build little troughs here so that I can put lava on top of this and see if lava really will disable this thing. All right. And then I got to get this taken out completely so that it's not, what's the word? Yeah, there you go. So that it's not netherrack, so that it doesn't catch fire and stay on fire. All right, I should be running pretty low on fire resistance, so I'm gonna go ahead and run back and get a bucket of lava. Well, at least a bucket. I don't have any iron with me, or I'd do it now, but I'm gonna go get a bucket, and then I will be back, and I will continue my story once I return. All right, so I'm back. I went and got a bucket from home. I'm trying to figure out how to get down to this lava so I can scoop up a thing of it, and then we can continue. There's my 300 from when I got 300 subscribers. Let's see if I can get down there. How did I get down there before? I think I ender pearled. All right, let's go over here and see if there's a way down. Oh, there it is. There's my stairs. Oh, that hurt. All right. Take a bucket of lava with us. So, high school, worked on Java a little bit and learned it just a little bit. I mean, I wasn't great. I continued playing around with it in my free time, but when it came to actual programming, I didn't do much with it. I knew that I wanted to be a programmer, a developer, because, get that out of my hand, that would have been bad. Let's eat. I knew I wanted to be a developer because, I mean, developing is just fun, man. I really enjoyed working with the computer that my grandfather had given me. I really enjoyed making things. So I was intrigued by computers. So when I went to college, it was, I don't know, it was kind of like a no-brainer to go through computer science. And I attended college at the University of Colorado, and at the University of Colorado, all their programming courses for generic programming, unless you take a specific language, was in Java. So I was like, well, I already know Java, so let's continue with Java. And I don't have any more... oh, good, he disappeared. That was interesting. He shouldn't have disappeared like that, but whatever. Wow, I'm almost full, too. All right. Oh yeah. So anyways, I continue with Java. My intro course and my data structures and algorithm course were both in Java. And then I took C and C++ and Visual Basic and a bunch of .NET technologies as well. So I'll just go ahead and take that as well. So I've taken a lot of languages, and I'm fairly comfortable with most of them. Drink this up, get some fire resistance again. But Java is where I wanted to be. So when I was going to college, I worked for a government contractor. Oh, right there. There you go. See if that stops them. I worked for a government contractor as a network administrator. Ouch. Ow, ow. Hey. I'm killing you guys. You're killing me, I guess. It's down there. So, my whole job was taking care of this network at work, which is fine, but I wanted to be a programmer. Ever since I could remember, I wanted to be a programmer. So I'd taken some Java classes, and I had the opportunity when my child was born to get a job where I was programming in Java. And so I continued. Okay, so this isn't working. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So hang on. I'm going to do 4 from each. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and up. Right? 1, 2, 3, and then the gap. Yep. So 1, 2, 3, and then 4. This is the size of the room that it needs to be. 3, and then 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's how big the room needs to be. Let's go ahead and kill some of these guys. So anyways, I had the opportunity when I was... let's go ahead and kill some of these too. When I had... Let's see, it was about 2005. My child was born premature while we were on vacation. We lived in Colorado, and... ouch. And she was born in Utah, so we didn't have a choice. We had to move to the hospital where she was being taken care of. And so I had to look for a new job, and I found a job in Utah at a company that did software solutions in Java. So I worked on, ouch, come on, get out of that lava. So I worked at this place, and they hired me to be their technical support, but it turned out that the company didn't have, ouch, go away, man. The company didn't have a QA department. So I told them they needed to build a QA department. I'm sure that they knew that that's something they needed to do, but I helped push them in that right direction. And because of my experience with Java, the company decided that I would be a good candidate to run the QA department. I didn't have any developmental experience in Java, so I wasn't like a programmer by trade. But I understood it enough that I could test the software in a way that would make sense. Ow, go away, go away, go away. Don't you dare kill me. Good, goodbye. So, yeah, I built the quality assurance department of this internet startup. And it was... Yeah, you idiot. This is really difficult. I don't know how somebody would build a place like this without some fire-resistant potions, because there's really no way to do this without having some fire-resistant potions, of which I've still got 3 minutes, so that's good. So anyways, I built this. I started the quality assurance department. And in the quality assurance department, we built our tools in Java. So I was able to do a little bit of programming there. And so that's where I got my first professional experience with Java, was building these test tools in Java. I need to eat and heal up a little bit. So yeah, I started building tools in Java, and it was good. It got me experience. So when a developer position opened at that company, I was able to apply, and I got the job. Partly because I'm sure I wasn't the most qualified, but I did have experience with the product, and I knew the people, and I knew the environment, so that helped, I'm sure, build up my repertoire for this place. Go away. Yeah, go away. Yeah. So I'm running low on nether rack, or nether brick, so I should probably go carve some more, because once I'm done with this section, once I build the frame in, these guys can't get out, then I got to think about funneling them into a location where they will be able to be killed. So yeah, I moved into development at that company. We did building in Java, and I was able to participate in that and learn Java and learn the environment, building web applications in Java. And when that company folded and I had to find a new location to work, I was able to take my experience as a developer, and I became a web applications developer for the state of Utah, which was awesome. I was able to, on my own accord, as a developer, get a job. So that, I worked there for 4 years, and then because I had experience running networks and building infrastructures in Java, not Java, in Linux and Windows networking, I was able to move from that job into a new job with my new current employer, which keeps me very busy. I'm still writing web applications, but I'm also doing Linux administration and Windows administration, support, source code management. The team I'm on tracks all the source code for the entire firm, the entire company. And so we manage all the source code, all the build environments, and it's been a lot of fun. So that's my background with Java, with development and so forth. I should clear this out a little bit. So yeah, I've taken this experience a little bit farther to build plugins for Minecraft. I decided that specifically the MineZ servers were, I didn't like the way that they were set up. Not that there was any problem with them, but I didn't like how you had to be like you pretty much. Ouch! 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 I'm out. I'm going. Ouch! Don't die! Don't die! Whew! Let's get another bottle of this stuff. So my main reason to start building plugins was to build a MineZ clone, and the reason I needed that was because I mean, the only real way to play, first of all, what really stunk about it was that if you wanted to be able to play, you needed to pay for the server. I know that they still do, they have free servers, but if you wanted a playable game and not a full server where, go away. Thank you. If you wanted a playable server, you needed to pay, because the free servers were always full, They were always full of douchebags that would grief and kill people. They didn't play very fairly. It wasn't a very fun experience. So I started building my TMCZ server. Man, I wish I could just turn off this so that. I wonder. I've got all these. Let's go ahead and kill these guys and work on putting these in place. 2, 3. All right, I'm gonna clear this up a little bit, and then I'll finish talking about what I decided to talk about.